al mundo del concreto.
Welcome to the world of concrete.
It's just a gathering place. Everything's here.
Everywhere you go is just another alley of people and different sides of the industry. It's really cool just to see how everyone is helping the industry.
It brings in so many people that have such a thirst for knowledge, and we're able to deliver the max of what is going on in our industry.
Everything I've gotten, I will be able to bring back and really help us grow forward financially.
We're here to learn some stuff in the classrooms and attend some of the classes they got going on here in leadership and scaling a business so that we can take it to the max for Knapp Concrete.
Really looking forward to the networking and getting to see all the exhibits, so it should be a great time.
Show's been great. It's been very successful. Lots of faces, lots of things going on, so many things to see.
Really like the interactive outdoor area. A lot of different new vendors have popped up, and it's good to see what's going on in the industry.
The exhibitors always provide me with new ideas and solutions to take to my market.
I'm here at World of Concrete to see the new innovative tools support concrete.
I mean, there's new innovation, new tools, that you get to learn and experience about the world of concrete.
I think everybody should come to the world of concrete and see how the industry grows.
There's so much happening with technology that I feel like everybody needs to be up to date.
There's really something for everyone in the industry. Every kind of company that you could think of is here.
If you're in the construction business, you must come here. It's full of opportunities.
It's game on for World of Concrete.
If you're looking to try to get the maximum you can out of attendance, make sure to come to World of Concrete 2026 and take it to the max.